Hello, I'm Philip Stoughton. I'm here on the Scoop Studio at Prod17. 2017. I'm joined by Fred from Dima. Fred, thanks for stopping by. Great to see you. Start by telling me a bit about what you brought to the show and what's new with Dima.
Yeah, so new for Dima is that we decided to concentrate fully on our hotbar systems. And maybe it's good to explain a little bit about hotbar because it's a new term in that way. So hotbar is used for reflow soldering processes with components that cannot pass through an oven. And the HF bonding, which is also a process for hotbar, that we use conductive film in between two parts to connect these together. That can be an OLED to a flex, an LCD flex, or flex to PCB, for example. And the advantage of ACF is that you can go to smaller pitches in the electronics, and it is much cheaper than a connector. So it's more and more accepted also now in the automotive industry, and we see there a nice growth.
Yeah. And would you see hotbar as an alternative to reflow, or is it a hybrid where parts are done in the reflow oven and other parts are done using the hotbar technology?
Yeah, in the past we had some more component soldering, which were, let's say, not allowed to be used in a reflow oven, like the chips with the four-sided pins, for example. But nowadays the reflow soldering applications for hotbar are more related to flex connections and connector soldering. So it's more, let's say, the external connection part.
Yeah. And you brought new products to the market in that area here at the show. What products have you bought and what's the response been on the booth?
Yeah, so from the past we had our modules and desktop systems. Now for this Prod17 we launched our newest platform, which is a fully automatic line for ACF bonding. And we got already a lot of attention and interest from the high volume manufacturing companies. So yeah, it's promising for the future, I would say.
Yeah, that's good. And when you talk about those systems, and when we look at reflow ovens, we look at other forms of soldering, one of the important areas is the data, the traceability, so they can look back and see how that solder joint has been produced. You've got those same challenges to meet. How do you meet them within your process?
It's fully true. So data and data-related software, that is absolutely key for the future. And it's a new generation for the development. So also in our automatic line, the manufacturers, the high volume manufacturers, they want to measure everything, all the processes, and they want to connect that to the product code. So there's a lot of data stored in the master level, and we interact with the customer indeed. So yeah, software is definitely one of the most key development modules.
And you're able to provide traceability down to the individual part level on the batches that have been soldered using your process.
Yeah, so in our line we have 3 key process cells, and at the ends we have a loading and unloading option. But in the key process cells we detect the carrier and we know which product is in which location, and there we add the process data. So yeah, the data management, process data management is linked to the product code, so everything is connected and stored and can be filed in that way.
Okay, and over on the Nordson booth, the whole family's there. You have almost a small town there of your companies. Tell me a bit about how the particular companies work together and collaborations and best practices, and what helps you to develop the products you've developed.
Yeah, the nice thing of Nordson, because before we were Dima, and Nordson acquired Dima a couple of years ago. So the real nice thing of Nordson is that they choose companies with a potential product, and then they use their global sales and service network to accelerate the business. So also in this case, we develop the products, and then the great network helps to sell and to grow the business. So that's definitely one of the key advantages of Nordson for our business as Dima.
Yeah. Okay, well Fred, thanks for stopping by, thanks for talking to me, and good luck with the rest of the show. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.